best of both worlds. A progressive business center with a lot of green spaces as its backdrop. It is accessible via Skyway, South Luzon Expressway, and is a short drive to and from Makati and Taguig. Indeed, here are all the life necessities that are within easy reach. This is a 3-bedroom unit, premier flat, and this is a corner unit. So imagine all that space that you can live. Let's go in. As you enter, you're greeted by this spacious foyer. To your right is the powder room, which guests can use. Okay, let's now move on to the main area, which features an open space layout. And this has the show kitchen, the dining, and living area. For what is intended as a living and dining area, you have 44 square meter of space. You can fit in a 6-seater dining table, an L-shaped sofa, and even a corner where you can read or just simply relax. And what's nice is this floor-to-ceiling window that allows natural daylight to pour in and gives you the illusion of more space. This also gives you access to the balcony. Let's go. From here, you have a view of the exclusive Palms Country Club, Botanika's very own playground, and a lush surrounding. Now, let's go back inside and check the kitchen. This show kitchen has an L-shaped island with a quartz countertop. You can use this as a breakfast nook or for food preparations or pretty much anything you want to do. And over here, we have more storage with the kitchen cabinets. For more tedious cooking preparations, we have the service kitchen. Here you have more space for cooking equipment and for storage. The service kitchen is also connected to a utility room with its own toilet and bath. We're now done with the common areas. Let's now move on to the more private spaces, the bedrooms. And to start off, let's check out the owner's suite. This corner suite is enveloped with floor-to-ceiling glass windows, so you wake up to bright mornings and green surroundings. Here, you have your own access to the balcony. All of the bedrooms here in the unit has its own toilet and bath. Let's look at the toilet and bath here. This toilet and bath features a his and her sink and ample closet space. So now you've seen the biggest suite in this unit. Let's move on to the other bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom, and as you can see, immediately we have this picture window, which naturally shows the green surroundings that Botanika Nature Residences has to offer. This bedroom also has an ensuite toilet and bath. And now, let's move on to the last bedroom. Again, this room has its own ensuite toilet and bath, a very picturesque window, and a closet space for all your personal things.